Hi everyone! Magandang umaga! So, another reading tayo. Another pick a card reading tayo. Pero, this pick a card reading is based on person on your mind. Okay, so person on your mind, ano yung true emotion niya. So, this is all about love. Love reading to guys, pero this is a pick a card reading. So, person on your mind. Kung sino yung iniisip mo, ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Okay? So, for pile number one, Violet Stone. This is Emerald, if I'm not mistaken, or it's a Violet Stone na triangle. And then pile number two is this little mushroom. Mushroom Stone. Okay. So, we are going to use five different decks. Two for the messages, two oracle decks, and one tarot card para tingnan natin kung ano yung clue about this person on your mind. So, meditate guys, again, kung ano yung pile yung mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay, so this is pile number one and this is pile number two. The person on your mind. Someone na wala kayong closure or no communication kayo. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo or yung true emotion niya sa'yo. This is pile number one and pile number two. So, pili na kayo guys. Kape tayo. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, tapos tingin nyo mag-resonate sa'yo, um, start na tayo kay pile number one. So, pile number one, kung ito yung pinili mong pile, this is your reading about your person on your mind. So, sino ba yung iniisip mo? Pile number one. So, meron ako narinig na September. It's either yung Virgo, okay, Pisces, Cancer, Aries, okay, Taurus. So, titingnan natin. Ano ba yung true emotion nitong person na to towards you and ano yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. So, let's pick or let's shuffle true emotion oracle cards for you, pile number one. Ano yung nararamdaman nitong person na to sa'yo? Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Sa mga pumili ng pile number one. O pwedeng favorite nito yung color violet, ube, okay, or favorite mo yung color na to. Okay, so let's start. Person on your mind, pile number one, ano yung nararamdaman nito sa'yo? Ano yung gusto nitong mangyari? And ano yung gusto niyang sabihin? Hmm. Feeling like shit. Oh. You could be sad or this person is malungkot ngayon. Okay. Maybe this person is nag-struggle ngayon about a situation. Or meron akong naramdaman na this person is feeling alone. Feeling alone, malungkot, may iniisip. Oh my. Queen B card is here. Secure, confident, boss, bitch, career focus. You can be focused now on your career. O pwedeng you are the divine feminine and you are dumaan sa glow up. This person is feeling shit or sabi ko nga, kanina nakuha ko yung energy na regret and this card is nag-pop up which is massive regrets. This person is regretting. Regretting about you or about breaking up with you or sa hindi ninyo pagkakaunawaan. Maybe because uh, yung iba sa inyo, naramdaman ko parang mali siya ng pinili, mali siya ng desisyon. Or meron ditong nagkamali ng sinabi, kaya nagalit yung person. Let's see. Yung karamihan sa inyo, pile number 1 is earth sign. GPS, maybe this person wants to go towards you, wants to travel papunta sa'yo. I miss you. This person is missing you. Memories. This person is looking a collection of photos ninyong dalawa. Hindi siya siguro makapaniwala na ang laki ng pinagbago mo. Iba sa inyo, you have no contact dito sa person na to, binlock mo. Pero ano ko nakukuha guys na ano, kung yung iba sa inyo iniisip na hindi ka na iniisip itong person na to, that is only a facade. Kasi this person still thinking of you, still miss you, and regretting yung nangyari between the two of you. This person wants to go towards you, impulsively go towards you. If this person is may sasakyan, po pwedeng this person is driving sa vicinity kung saan ka nakatira because this person is missing you. Okay. Running. 'Di ba? This person wants to run towards you or maybe this person is gusto kang isama, magpakalayo-layo. Meron akong nakuha na this person is gusto kang ayain na pumasyal. File number 1. Gusto ka nitong yayain na meron ako narinig na tumakas. I don't know why. Some of you is a fire sign. Meron ako nakuha na tong person na to is umalis. Okay, nag-run. Nag-run sa connection ninyo. So, tingnan pa natin. Person on your mind. Ano yung true emotion nitong person na to? File number 1. This person, pwede may tattoo sa hand, sa braso. Oh, too late. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Round and round and round. Cycle triggers lesson. So, pwedeng this card is clarification na you have a cycle with this person and maybe paulit-ulit na mangyayari to, pwedeng sa'yo, makaka-attract ka ng mga ganitong person. Meron ako narinig na runner and chaser in this pile. So, paulit-ulit na mangyayari to. Itong cycle na to, if this person is hindi matututo na harapin kung ano yung kailangan niyang harapin. Okay? Kasi meron ako nakukuha na this person is running or nag-run siya sa connection. Pwedeng na-overwhelm siya. Okay. Bumping heads. Meron akong nakikita na nagtatalo kayo nito. Jezebel. Oh, this person still attracted sa'yo. And you have a glow up with the Jezebel. Meron ako nakita na yung iba sa inyo, pile number 1, still thinking dito sa person na to. Kasi siguro, wala kayong closure nitong person na to. You're still thinking palagi dito sa person na to. You have a feeling of melancholy or yung sadness kapag naalala mo tong person na to kasi hindi kayo pwedeng wala na kayong communication. Ooh, love message. Pwedeng makareceive ka ng message dito sa person na to. Oh my God. This can be a workmate. Nakilala mo to sa trabaho, yung iba sa inyo. This is a workplace affair or a workmate. Itong iniisip ba to? So, bawal siguro. So, tingnan pa natin. Ay! Wish. Someone here is wishing maybe to have a last talk dito sa person na to. It can be you. Fake busy. So, someone here is faking na busy siya sa career. Whether ikaw to, file number 1, or itong person na to, kasi para hindi niya maisip yung person. Kasi meron akong nakikita dito sa mga pumili ng file number 1, merong overthinker dito. Overthinker. Isip ng isip. So, tingnan pa natin. Let's see sa ating other deck. Alam mo, meron ako naramdaman file number 1 na palagi kayong nagtatalo nitong person na to. I don't know. Or po pwede sigurong yung isa nawalan ng time dun sa other person. I don't know. So, tingnan pa natin. Ano yung nararamdaman nitong person na to, file number 1, person on your mind? Nararamdaman niya para kay file number 1. I'm struggling to find the right path. So, nahihirapan tong person na to. Kung ano ba yung gagawin niya. Next step, ano yung susundin niya. Let's see. True emotion itong person na to para kay file number 1. Person sa mind ni file number 1. Uy! Oh my gosh! Guys, I cannot. Look. Massive regrets kanina. And regret. I wish this never happened. This person wishing that sana hindi nangyari kung ano yung dahilan ng separation ninyo. Third party. There were other things that got in the way of us being together. There is a third party for some of you. Gossip. I'm afraid of what other people will think. So, pwedeng yung isa sa inyo, whether this person or ikaw, file number 1, is takot na mapag-usapan, na machismis. Okay? Kaya umiwas or kaya nag-run. Responsibilities. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. So, for some of you, file number 1, naramdaman ko na maybe ikaw, stable ka while this person is not. Kasi this person is struggling to find his path. Okay, so take what's resonate. Kung saan kayo doon mag-resonate. Damage. We are both hurting from this. Okay, for some of you guys, meron akong naramdaman na this person is pwedeng may family na hindi sinabi sa'yo, third party, and pwedeng you are the third party. Meron akong nakita. It may be nalaman mo yon. Nalaman mo yon and alam more, aware ka. Yung iba sa inyo ha, aware. Pwedeng, this is a work situation or a work affair, na this person is po pwedeng may pamilya or po pwedeng ikaw, and may responsibility tong person na to, and nalaman mo yun, and someone here is regretting or still missing the other person, pero po pwede sigurong hindi na pwedeng bumalik kasi may family yung isa. Someone here is regretting na hindi nagsabi ng totoo doon sa female or yung third party if this is pamilyado na tao. Meron ako nakuha na gano'n na. Oh my gosh. Soul tie. I always feel connected to you. Oh. This person still feel yung nararamdaman mo, somehow connected kayo, okay? Po pwedeng this is the situation, yung right person, wrong timing, or may ganun kasi guys eh. Po pwedeng ganun. Or talagang hindi lang naging honest tong person sa'yo. May family to. And siguro ayaw niyang machismis sa trabaho niya. That's why umiwas siya sa'yo. So take what's resonate guys. Let's see. File number 1. Naguguluhan ba kayo dun sa storyline natin or dun sa energy na nakuha natin? I hope na hindi malinaw yung pagkakapaliwanag ko. Oops. Guilty. Ano sabi ko? Guilty. I feel pain from the damage I have caused. So, this is another confirmation. Tingnan nyo damage. We are both hurting from this. Okay, and guilty, I feel pain from the damage again that I have caused. This person is sorry. Okay? This person is sorry kung ano man yung hindi niya ipinagtapat sa'yo, regretting, okay? 2 confirmation card of regretting. Nahihirapan tong person na to na mag-move forward. Kung sino yung nagsinungaling dito, nahihirapan na mag-move forward. Okay? Unsatisfied. I wasn't happy the way things were going. Oh my gosh. Someone here is unsatisfied. Not happy. Uh-huh. This person knows na nasaktan ka niya. And maybe this situation is giving you a lesson to love yourself first. File number 1. Let's see. True feelings or emotion of the person on mind ng aking file number 1. Oops, thank you. Neglected. I failed to give you what you need. This person, po pwedeng magdahilan na lang na busy siya sa trabaho. Pero ang totoo, lumayo tong person na to. Kasi siguro, nagsisimula ng machismis kayo sa trabaho. If this is a workplace romance, okay, hindi niya maibigay yung commitment na gusto mo. O pwedeng ganun So take what's resonate kung which side ka doon, guys. So, hindi niya maibigay kasi nga pwedeng you are the third party and pamilyado tong person na to. Marami siyang responsibility. Okay? O, diba? Disagreement. Disagreement card is here. I wish you understood how I feel. O, diba? Meron kayong pagtatalo nito, disagreement, with the With the bumping heads here, tingnan nyo guys with the bumping heads and disagreement, meron kayong pagtatalo nito, meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Pwede kasi nga hindi siya naging tapat sa'yo. Let's see. 2 cards more para sa ating oracle deck na to. Runner. Anong sabi ko? Guys, I cannot. Anong sabi ko? Running card is here. Another confirmation. Running card is here. Saan na yun? Okay. See. Running card is here and there is a runner. So this is a runner chaser connection. Runner. Okay, so let's pull last card for this deck. Para sa'yo pal number 1. Okay. Aww. Last 2 cards, mend. I want to fix our connection. So, pwedeng hindi man kayo maayos sa love side or sa love part, pwede sigurong gusto nito maging friend kayo. File number 1. Unworthy. You're a better person than I am. So, unworthy card is confirmation of this feeling like shit. Feeling like shit. Okay? This is the another confirmation of your better person than I am. Oh my gosh. This is very, very, magulong sitwasyon. This person, alam niya na nasaktan ka niya. For some of you meron akong nakuha guys alam niyo na may family tong person na to I cannot blame you. Hindi ako po pwedeng i-judge ka. Yung iba sa inyo lang yun yung mag-resonate. Pero pwedeng alam mo na you're the other chick. Okay, in this person life. And po pwedeng pinagdidesisyon mo siya kung sinong pipiliin niya. Okay? Kaso nga lang, hindi nga niya kasi maiwan yung responsibility. Kasi po pwedeng meron silang anak ng asawa niya. Kung sino mag-resonate doon Okay, so, let's say, bago tayo pumunta sa ating message card, let's see sa ating tarot card. Person on piles number 1. On pile number 1 mind. Let's see. Let's see. Ay, naku po. Let's see. Okay. Pile number 1. Tingnan natin. Ano ang nararamdaman ng person na nasa isip ni pile number 1? Clue, please. Page of Wands. O, 'di ba? Knight of Swords. Gusto nitong pumunta sa'yo kung saan ka man doon. Five of Wands, confirmation there is a hindi pagkakaintindihan with this Five of Wands. Four of Wands, uh, for me this is a marriage, another sign for marriage or another card for marriage. Uh, Pile number one. This person wants impulsively go papunta sa'yo. Kasi po pwedeng, sabi ko nga, you are a queen bee. Nakita mo naman doon sa spread natin kanina, you are a queen bee and alam naman itong person na to na maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Yes. Pero kasi, paano naman yun? Married na tong person na to. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Oh, this person is burdened. O pwedeng naghahanap po ng ano lang, ng tamang tempo. O pwede, kakausapin ka pa nito eh. Magsasorry siguro to sa'yo. King of Wands. The Chariot. O, di ba? This person wants to go kung saan ka man nandoon. World card. Hmm. Seven of Pentacles. Waiting. Oh, Seven of Swords. Sneaky beaky goo. Oh, Queen of Wands. Oh my gosh. So this is another confirmation that this person is already married. Oh, this is a sneaky bitch. Pwedeng may someone na papunta towards you. This person is nag-aalala na mawala ka sa kanya. Pero this is a married bitch. With the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Tapos, above is the Four of Wands. This is married. Married. Yeah. And this is sneaky. Sneaky guy. Oh my gosh. Pwedeng malayo tong person na to sa'yo or malayo ka. Two cards showing travel here. Someone here is waiting. Still waiting. Kung sino man yung nag-aantay dito. Pero someone is burdened. Kasi siguro this person knows na maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pile number 1. There is a King of Cups. Who is going towards you, or kung nakilala mo na tong King of Cups na to, maybe alam nitong person na to na married, na you are having a connection with a King of Cups soon. Hmm. Sneaky tong married na to. Maybe you're dealing with two-person. Kasi, meron ako nakikita na someone is waiting for you. Someone here, King of Cups, is waiting for you. Wants to go towards you. Yes. Gusto kang ipaglaban. Naghihintay lang. Kahit nahihirapan siya, this person still waiting. Oy. Nako, if I were you, huwag ka dito sa may married guy. Kasi this is a sneaky bicky. Hindi mo pagkakatiwalaan. Hmm. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba gusto sabihin nitong guy? Ano bang gustong sabihin nitong person na to? Doon tayo kay kay King of Cups. If you are dealing with the King of Cups na ha. King of Cups. King of Cups, King of Cups. Kasi married na yung isa Life without you is hopeless, dark, and depressing. I miss your light. Oh, with the I miss you card kanina, this person is missing you. Ano ba tong married na to? Don't wait for me, please. Oy, naramdaman kong si married boy to. Kung sino man yung married dito, huwag mo na raw siyang antayin. Pinapaasa ka lang nito. This is a sneaky bicky. May family siya, may responsibility. Guys, please take note, is maraming energy. Marami tayong na-pick up na energy kasi maraming nanonood. Okay. Oy. Oh my gosh. Drama. Drama. Drama, drama, drama. This is a drama. No one understand me but you. Oh my gosh. Wala raw ibang nakakaintindi sa kanya kundi ikaw. Why do I deserve someone like you? This person don't deserve you. Alam naman niya yon. Because he is a sneaky bicky. Oh. Let's see. Message of this person kay pile number 1. I long for your kiss. I long for your kiss. Oh my gosh, with the Jezebel card kanina, actually, nakita ko na and naramdaman ko na yon pero ayokong basahin kasi the passion I feel is overwhelming. I don't know how to handle this. With the guys kanina, nakita ko to. Ito ha. Ito kasing card na to signifying that this is a manhood. Okay. This page of one is a manhood. Kung nakita nyo kanina, is lumabas to. So maybe this person wants to choo-choo you. Okay. Yun lang ang gusto niya sa'yo. Choo-choo. The passion I feel is overwhelming and I don't know how to handle this. You are very sexy and seductive, pile number one. Kaya this person is nababaliw sa'yo. This person na married. Okay? I can talk to you right now. Hindi kanya kayang kausapin pa. Kasi po pwedeng hindi niya kayang i-handle kung ano yung sasabihin mo. Pile number one. Hmm? Kasi yung iba sa inyo nararamdaman ko na very galit. Okay? Very galit. Last four. Oh my gosh. Nag-flip. I can make a decision. I can make a decision. No, which is, ayaw naman niya talaga magdesisyon. Ayaw niya mamili. Nakakaloka. Itong person na to. File number one. Uy. Let's see. People don't believe in me. Hindi naniniwala sa kanya. No one understand me but you. Oh my gosh. Guys, pile number one. This is a sneaky Bicky. Seven of Swords. Okay, so there is a manipulation here. Meron ako nakikita na for some of you, there's a manipulation here. Po pwede siguro this person, yung iba sa inyo trigger warning, this person is just stringing you along. Okay? May responsibility to. Po pwedeng siguro kaya to na-attract sa'yo kasi you're a queen bee. Pile number one. I don't like this energy. Let's ano, let's get three cards pa para sa'yo. Ano pa ba yung gusto niyang sabihin? Is it over? Yeah. Hindi pa ba siya hindi pa ba clear? Is it over? Meron ako nakikita na wala pang closure kayo nitong person na to. Yung iba sa inyo pa number one. Is it over daw ba? Tapos na daw ba yung between sa inyo? I don't know where to start. Hindi niya alam kung paano mag-apologize. Hindi niya alam kung paano kaya approach. I don't know where to start. Sino ba hindi magagalit? Kapag ka napunta sa ganong sitwasyon. Last card. Painful memories. Oh my gosh. Painful memories. This is a sneaky beaky. This person is attracted to your body, to your money. Pile number one, you need to love yourself. Let's get a Hermit Tarot card for some messages pa. This is last deck na ipupull natin para sa'yo, pile number one. Person on pile number one's mind. Hmm. 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 I need time for me. Number four, light. You are the light, okay? Pile number one. You can be a healer, a light worker, spiritual person. Definitely, have I lost everything? Oh my gosh. With the is it over? Have I lost everything? This person is asking if totally over na ba kayo? Na-lost ka na ba niya? Oh, with the wand, with the page of wands or ace of wands, this person is passionate sa'yo. Guys, gusto nitong majuju ka. Oh my gosh. Love yourself, pile number one. Let's see. I don't want to lose you. Number four again. I don't want to lose you. I don't like this energy, pile number one. Strength, ego. This person is egoistic. Maybe you are very attractive and maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. And having you in his side is like having a arm candy. Oh my gosh, this person is egoistic. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry daw. Sorry daw, sabi niya ni Sneaky Beaky. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, pakinggan nyo yung kanta na Maybe ng Neo Colors or ni King. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too. Basta ganon. I think we should slow down. Oh my god, this is if you are dealing with a player. Huh? Pile number one. So, last five cards. Pile number one before I close your reading. Okay. Will you choose me? Oh my gosh, 444. What a coincidence. Look for angel number 444, pile number 1. Will you choose me? Parang unfair. He is married. He is with his wife. Then, if there is someone waiting for you and wants to commit to you, papapiliin ka niya? What a BS. The audacity, okay? You hurt me, but that's okay, I guess. Maybe it's ikaw to, pile number 1. You have so many choices and options. This person knows that you have so many choices and options, and you should proud of it, pile number 1. Kasi this person is a sneaky beaky if this is married. Married tong person na to. I am absolutely in love with you. No, you're not because you are passionate lang kay pal number 1. Seek professional advice. This person may be need to seek professional advice. Oh my gosh! Bottom of the deck is I want you to choose. Gusto nitong papiliin ka. Oh my God, the audacity ha. Gusto ka nitong papiliin. Sino pipiliin mo daw? Yung King of Cups or siya? E samantalang married siya. Ay, nako. This is an egoistic, maigo na person, pile number one. And having you sa side niya is para siyang nanalo sa jackpot. Kasi you're very attractive, you're a queen bee. Very sexy with the Jezebel card. You should know your worth, pile number one. Okay? So, I hope resonated sa'yo yon, pile number one. If not, you can go and watch pile number two instead. Baka merong messages sa'yo doon. Okay? So, hindi ko napapatagalin to. I will go to pile number two, pile number one. Bye! Okay, pile number two. If you choose this stone, this is your reading. So, let's see. Anong iniisip or ano yung nararamdaman ng person sa mind mo? This can be an ex uh, situationship, okay? The one that got away, or no closure, no communication, or na connection. So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin ang ating true emotional oracle deck. Okay, let's shuffle kasi nagamit ko to kanina. Para malaman natin kung ano ba yung nararamdaman sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo. Pile number one. Okay. Last one. Okay. Let's see. Iniisip na person ni pile number two. Fed up. You can be fed up. Fed to any memories, bullshit. Oh. Tingnan natin. Romance. Praying, faith, healing, meditation. Sex addiction. Oh, someone here is meditating or fed up sa life niya. Someone here is fed up pwedeng sa mga nakakamit niya na hindi naman seryoso and sex lang ang gusto. Fucked up over you. Pop the question, o, 'di ba? Someone here is pagod na. Pagod na sa sitwasyon na sex lang ang gusto sa connection. Someone here is gusto yung romance or yung seryoso na, o gusto na mag-settle down. Okay, gusto nang mag-settle down sa relationship. Okay. Someone here is wants to heal. Pwedeng yung sarili niya, ayaw niya na yung connection na sexual lang ang gusto. Cope, 'di ba? Vices kasi 'to eh, yung sex, yung pag-inom ng alak. Someone here is healing, gusto niya ng magbagong buhay. Hmm. Firestorm, karma, drama, findings, loss, mental breakdown. Someone here is mental break having a mental breakdown, fed up, nandun na sa may sukdulan, na-realize niya na gusto niya ng magbagong buhay. I don't want this fuck of life anymore. I don't want this relationship na sex lang ang gusto. I don't want these vices. I don't want my situation is ganito. Gusto ko nang mag-heal, gusto ko nang magbagong buhay, gusto ko nang lumagay sa tahimik. Gusto ko nang makasal sa taong seseryosohin ako. Hmm? Lumabas ulit yung round and round. With the karma, cycle triggers lesson. So, someone here learn his or her lesson. Okay? Maybe, pile number two, the person on your mind realize na gusto niya na magbago, gusto niya na mag-settle down. Ayaw niya na ng buhay na magulo. Ayaw niya na yung buhay na sex lang ang hanap sa isang connection. Gusto niya na sigurong mag-settle down talaga. O gusto niya na yung seryoso na romantic connection. Left you hanging. No closure, no contact, left on red. 'Di ba? Someone here is fed up na sa life. Maybe on love life or sa mga connection niya. Ayaw niya na ng karmic. Ayaw niya na ng paulit-ulit na cycle. Gusto niya yung seryoso na. Okay? Someone here is na-realize na nag-fuck up siya sa life and gusto niya nang magbago. Going to faith, heal and meditation, praying. Someone here is nagsisisi na sa siguro sa lifestyle niya. Nagsisisi na siya and gusto niya na ng totoong romance na pakakasalan siya. Yeah. Let's see. Last two cards. Spiritual. Chaos, ego death, downward spiral, spiritual awakening. I told you, someone here is having a spiritual awakening, realizes gusto niya nang mag-heal, gusto niya na ng true connection, ayaw niya na ng karmic lessons. Okay, tapos na siya sa karmic lessons, ayaw niya ng paulit-ulit na lessons na gusto niya na mag-settle down. Okay? Pagod na siya. Pagod na siya sa paulit-ulit na lessons na sex lang ang gusto sa relationship. Nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening. Someone here is nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. That card in tarot, I think, funeral. Tama ba ako nabasa? Someone here has an ego death. Someone here wants to magbagong buhay with the death card. With the funeral card. Gusto niya magbagong buhay na. Gusto niya nang alisin kung ano yung mga vices niya or yung lifestyle niya before. Gusto nitong magseryoso na sa relationship. Ayaw na nitong mag-undergo ulit sa another cycle, sa triggers or lessons. This person learned his or her lessons already. Okay? You can block pwedeng binlock mo tong person na to. File number two. Kasi nga, siguro before, this person is addict sa sex or may mga vices or easy-go-lucky or mahilig sa babae, hindi seryoso sa love, ayaw mag-settle down. Pwedeng ganun tong person na to eh. And this person is having a spiritual awakening, okay? Healing his trauma, his triggers, having a, alam mo yon, ego death, and naging spiritual. Yes. Kuha pa tayo ng ano, ng last four para sa deck na to. Oh, running. Running. Ooh, ghosted. Maybe itong person na to na nakuha nating energy, this is someone who is hot and cold, detached sa relationship, nang ghost, nang left na lang basta-basta sa person, bigla-biglang nawawala. This is the person on your mind, pile number two. Let's see. Last two cards for this file. For this card. Oh my gosh. Divine Masculine. Family. Oh. Oh. Bottom of the deck is turning your back. This person wants to have a family. Gustong ikasal. Gusto nang makasal. Gusto nang magmahal ng totoo. Okay. Pagod na to sa mababaw na connection lang. This person is already fed up. Okay, on sexual connection lang. This is a divine masculine. Nag-evolve na to, nag-underwent ng ego death. Nagbago na to. Itong person na to. And this person is spiritual na. Okay. Family card. Oh, gusto niyo ng mag-settle down. Meron ako nakita na this person before is ayaw mag-settle down. Ayaw pa magseryoso. This person wants to settle down na. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Kung pwedeng sa'yo, gusto niya mag-settle down na sa'yo, pile number 2. Oh, tingnan natin. Oh, let's see. Ego. Another ego. I left my pride get in the way of our connection. This is an ma-ego na, ano bang ego na yan? Hindi matapos-tapos yung ego na yan. Let's see. Reflection. Being away from you has allowed me to gain clarity. Oh, tingnan mo? Nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening, nagkaroon ng clarity tong person na to. If this person is hindi ka sineryoso, iniwan kang luhaan, ginost ka, this person wants to come back. Nagkaroon na to ng clarity. Nagbago na tong person na to. Gusto nang mag-settle down. Forgiveness. This person wants to ask you for forgiveness. Hindi niya makalimutan yung sa past. Hindi siya makaget over. Damage. We are both hurting from this. This person hurts you. Another clarification. Hope. I haven't given up on us yet. This person still hoping na mapifix pa yung connection ninyo and hopefully mapakasalan ka niya, wants to marry sa'yo. Unfinished business. We still have things to resolve and discuss. This person wants to talk to you, wants to fix your connection. Dishonesty. By lying, I rip us apart. This person lied to you. Ooh. Unsatisfied. I wasn't happy the way things were going. This person is not happy kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo. This person will return. Okay. Pero nagbago na tong person na to kapag babalik to sa'yo. Chemistry, I have never felt a passion this intense. This person feels that you are the perfect fit for him. Let's see. Soul tie, I always feel connected to you. This person feels that you and him is soulmate. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Indecisive. I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. Decisive. Kasi nga, ayaw niya mag-settle down pa eh. And maybe, you are a type of a person na, ano eh, gusto mo yung seryoso eh. Ayaw mo yung parang sex connection only. Mm-hmm. Conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice. This person wants to talk to you. Okay. So, ilang card na to? Let's pull apat pa na card. Para sa akin, pile number 2. Confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. This person still confused. Reunion. We will always come back to each other. Sabi ko sa inyo ha, this person wants to come back. Yeah. Pile number 2. This person realized na mahal ka niya. Oh, soul contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. Oh my gosh. This person feels na ikaw yung karma niya. Holding back. I should have expressed myself better. This person holds kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya for you. Kasi maybe siguro before wala siyang balak magseryoso. Pero nung sa kalagitnaan, na-realize niya na, oh my gosh, this person is my soulmate. Huh? Sana naging totoo ko sa kanya. Hindi sana kayo naghiwalay. Yes. Okay. So, let's get a tarot card for you. Pile number 2. Okay. Tarot card for my pile number 2. Okay. Tingnan natin, ha? Pile number 2. Person on your mind. Ano ang nararamdaman nito sa'yo? Person on your mind. Pile number 2. Okay. Ten of Swords is nakita ko po pwedeng hindi makatulog to, nagkakaroon ng sleepless nights. So, let's see. Person on, di ba? Ten of Swords. Queen of Wands. You are very beautiful para dito sa person na to. Page of Swords. Want to communicate. The Lovers. Still loves you. Oh my gosh. Ace of Wands. Passionate sa'yo. Pile number 2. O, di ba? Gusto kang pakasalan. This is a married card. Gustong pakasalan ka. Pop the question. Will you marry me? Oh my. Pile number 2. If you are single right now, and still waiting pa dito sa person na to, this person will pop the questions, and at the end of maybe this year, you are not single anymore. This person one, naging sneaky to before. Okay. Waiting. Seven of Pentacles. Hermit mode. Nagpa-plan. Nasaktan to. Queen of Swords. The Sun. So, pwedeng niloko ka din ito. File number 2. Kasi nga, ito is addict sa sex. Itong person na to dati. Kumbaga, hindi seryoso sa buhay. And kung pwedeng ipinasok ka niya sa third party, pero ikaw talaga yung mahal niya with the Lover's card. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Gusto nitong magkaanak sa'yo with the Sun card. Happy siya sa'yo. Oh my gosh, Four of Cups. Waiting tong person na to kasi po pwede sigurong gusto niyang i-offer yung ring and pop the question sa'yo. Ikaw ang mahal nito, pile number 2. With the Lover's card for Seven of Pentacles waiting and Four of Cups. Ikaw ang love niya. And realize niya yun. O pwedeng may naghahabol dito na babae pero ayaw niya doon. Ikaw ang gusto niya. Sa'yo siya masaya. Ikaw ang gusto niyang pakasalan. Okay. Let's see. Ano ba yung message niya sa'yo? May Virgo ako nakita. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Let's see. Message nitong person na to sa'yo. Pile number 2. Di ko alam kung pile number 1 ako ng pile number 1. Ano ha, panoorin nyo rin yung pile number 1. Baka may messages kayo doon. Baka meron kayong messages doon. So, tingnan natin. Messages itong person na to. Oh my gosh. I can express myself. With the holding back card kanina. Hindi niya ma-express yung sarili niya sa'yo. Pile number 2. This love is crazy. Don't put up with my BS. Don't wait for me, please. People don't believe me. Kasi nga, siguro kilala siya ng tao na hindi seryoso. Why do I deserve someone like you? Tingnan mo, don't put up with my BS. You are the only person that don't put up dun sa BS niya. Kaya kung gusto niyang pakasalan, I wish I could be a different person. Aww. How could you ever forgive the mess I've made? Oh, nasaktan ka niya ng sobra and alam niya yon. Paano mo daw siya mapapatawad? This person left you hanging, left you on red, and alam niya yun. File number 2. Will you leave me like the others? Oh, iiwanan mo rin ba siya? Hindi mo na daw ba siya tatanggapin? File number 2. Kung babalik to sa'yo, file number 2 is nagbago na to. Tong person na to. Will this pain ever stop? Oh, this person is in Ten of Swords energy. Why can't I tell you the truth? Meron pa tong mga hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Gustong ipagtapat. I wish to be like you. Oh, no one understand me but you. Oh, my gosh. People don't believe me. No one understand me but you. Will you treat me like the others? Oh my God, this is so messed up. I'm afraid to lose you. Oh my gosh, this person afraid to lose you. Again. Don't treat me the way you do. I don't deserve it. This person knows that she don't deserve you. You are very pure. Why do I feel this way? Oh my gosh. Bottom of the deck is my life is a mess right now. This person, pabayaan mo muna na ayusin niya kung ano yung mga dapat niyang ayusin and pabayaan mo na siya ang lumapit sa'yo. Okay? Inayos pa niya yung buhay niya. Maybe for some of you, this person still healing. Yes. Doon sa mga biases niya. Pero meron ako nakikita na healing na tong person na to and nagbabago na. Kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng pamilya. Gusto niya na mag-settle down. Gusto niya na magkaanak. Oh. So, let's see. Let's get your Hermit card. Pile number 2. Messages itong person na to para sa akin. Pile number 2. Last spread. Medyo mahaba-haba na yung ating time. You make my heart full. Oh, you're a very warm person. Pile number 2. You make my heart full. Oh, 10 of... Meron ako nakikita, 10 of cups. This person is happy sa'yo. With the sun card kanina. Ikaw din yung reason kung bakit siya na-push na magbago. I need more balance. This person still, okay, still healing. And yes. Yes daw. Kung meron kang tanong, yes daw, yes. I am terrified. Please give me time. I've never felt this way before. Oh, this person, ikaw yung, sa inyo lang naramdaman yung pure love. Meron ako nakuha na this person is merong trauma to. Hmm. Do you even see me that way? I just want space. O, di ba? This person is asking for more time pa. More time pa. Okay. Gossip only hurts more. What do you want? You are wrong. I meant what I said. Oh, 'di ba? I meant what I said. Tingnan mo, you make my heart full. Do you even see me that way? Katulad, same daw ba kayo ng nararamdaman sa isa't isa? Kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, same daw ba kayo? Totoo daw yung sinasabi niya. I meant what I said. I am obsessed with your body. I am very jealous person. Seloso. This person is seloso. Mhm. I lie awake thinking about our future. Oh, this person wants to marry you, wants to have a family with you. Happiness is my priority. That's why he is healing. I just wish things were different. Okay. No, I just want you all the time. Last two cards, please. Oh, you have four cards. So, tingnan na lang natin. Ace of Pentacles wants to offer you a new beginning. My life started when I met you. Oh, you push this person. You are the reason why this person pushed to heal his trauma. Kung ano yung mga issue niya sa sarili niya. Listen to your heart, sabi. Listen to your heart when it's calling for you. I feel the same way. Oh. Okay, file number two. This is the true emotion nung person na nasa isip mo. No closure, ex, situationship. Ito yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to, file number two. If not, you may go to file number one. Baka may messages sa'yo doon. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat. Good morning sa inyo. Happy Saturday. So, hindi ko napapahabain to. Please subscribe, like this video, comment down below if resonated sa inyo yung ating reading. And I will try to upload as much as I can every day para sa inyo guys. So maraming maraming salamat sa patuloy na sumusuporta kay Luna. Magandang umaga. Happy weekends. Enjoy your time with your family. God bless. Bye!